Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to play the Binge application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the play button. So first you have to choose your faith. So there are 5 options: never have I ever, ring of fire, most likely to, truth or lie, and up or down. And there are a little like description under each of the games. So just click on the play button under the game that you choose. So here, as you can see, you have to answer under a certain amount of time. So here's you have to answer who's most likely to, hold their breath the longest as it possible, and then the next, and you have 3 seconds to answer to each of them. This next one, for example, is most likely to become a president of the United States of America. You have 3 seconds to choose out of your friend group, of course. And if you're bored with it, you can just click on the exit button and choose another game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.